everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to set up a Zendesk Chatbot for WhatsApp. So this will help you automate customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and improve response times. So if you are running an e-commerce business, handling customer queries, or just looking to streamline your communication, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive in here. So here guys, what you need to get started is before setting up your chatbot, make sure you have a Zendesk account. So this is with a messaging plan. So a WhatsApp business API account guys is connected through Zendesk or a provider. So admin access to configure chatbot automation. So if you haven't set up WhatsApp business API, you can check the link in the description for a guide. So connecting WhatsApp to Zendesk guys. So to connect WhatsApp with Zendesk, you just need to log in Zendesk admin center, and then you can go to their channels. So and then there you'll be able to see their messaging. So here, right after creating an account, you'll be able to see this one. You just need to fill in all of this. So that's it. So you need to follow the instruction guys to connect your WhatsApp business API number. So as you can see here, so this is now your Zendesk, and set up the business profile including your company name, description, and logo. So once connected guys, your WhatsApp messages will appear in Zendesk messaging interface. So this will allows you to manage conversation within Zendesk platform and route messages efficiently. So creating your chatbot with Zendesk bot. Now you can create an automated chatbot using the Zendesk Flow Builder. You just need to go to admin centers and then look for bots and automations. There you can click create bot and name your chatbot. So there, select WhatsApp as the channel where the bot will be operate. And then the next thing you need to do here is to click add step to define automated response like greeting message or frequently asked responses, escalation to agent, or multi-language support. So here, if your audience speak multiple language, you can set up language detection and automated translation. And there, you can test your chatbot and click save and publish. So this chatbot will respond to customer inquiries instantly, improving response time and efficiency. And on adding quick replies and buttons to make the chatbot more interactive, you can add quick replies. So in Flow Builder guys, you can go to your welcome message, then click add quick reply and enter options like check order status, talk to agent, pricing information, or store locations. And then link each reply to an automated response or agent handoff. So this improves the user experience and ensure customers find what they need quickly. So in testing your WhatsApp chatbot before going live, you can test your chatbot guys. So open WhatsApp and send a message to your business number. So check if the chatbot responds correctly, and then you can test quick replies and escalation to an agent. So ensure the bot understands different variations of customer inquiries, and then make adjustment in Flow Builder if needed. So this will ensure a smooth customer experience before launching. So here you can deploy your chatbot and then final testing. So enable fallback messages for unrecognized queries. And that's how you set up a Zendesk chatbot for WhatsApp. So this automation will help improve customer support, reduce response times, and enhance efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!